larger range of materials. Gold plates, stainless steel, ceramics, bronze. These guys do platinum. No idea how much that costs, but I'm sure it's significant. There was no price on the website, I thought. So essentially, you can send your digital model to these guys. They'll produce a print and then post it out to you. So, since we started with an XKCD comic when we're talking about fabrication, I thought we would finish with an XKCD comic talking about fabrication. Thank you all. Such a Any questions? Yes.
So you said that for certain parts, the hanging parts, you need to create support structures first, right? So for example, like the head, you have your nose as a hanging part. Obviously, if you're positive, it will fall on the ground. So does that mean you would create the support structure first, and then you print the head?
Kuro will actually generate them for you during the slicing process. Alternatively, you can build them into the model yourself. So if you know that there's a part that's obviously has nothing underneath it, you can always model it in a cylinder or something like that.
Would be printed at the same time?
Yeah, together. Yeah, so.
Sorry, we have to cut it off?
Yeah. Typically, breaking it off and rubbing it with your finger will actually work. Because the material is quite weak, if it's not essentially reinforced, during the printing process it does multiple laps for each layer, walls to make them nice and strong. It doesn't do this with the support structure, so they're really flimsy.
That's what I do look at the head, right? If you look closely, you can see the roll-ups.
Yep.
Actually, the too much on the cheek side.
Yep. Cheeks, ears, a bit of the nose. Yeah.
Would the DNA material be made of sugar then?
Whole bunch of stuff, yeah.
How long would it last? If you expose it under the sun?
Yeah, good question. I know it's commonly used in sutures, biodegradable stitches on your body, also stitches. They dissolve within the body within about 3 years. Now the body's a pretty harsh place for plastics. If we were to sit it on the desk, it would probably last 30 or 40 years before you notice significant degradation. Exposed to the environment, obviously, I'm not sure actually whether it's UV reactive or not. I imagine it would be. There's probably nothing in it which would be affected by it. You may have the colour fading with the leaves because they are just extruded filament with that. It's just extruded with. So I think it depends on the colour. Any others?
So of all the printers that you run through, what's the one that has the highest price?
The Ultimaker.
Oh,
sorry, hobby level or
no, commercial.
commercial?
That must be the ones that are auto-based, or is it the ones that are...
Probably the resin-based ones. Stereolithography and Polyjet has the best layer thickness. So that's where it squirts out the fluid and then uses UV light to irradiate as it prints. Yeah. So that's done by a company called Jet Geometries. So they're the only ones that's doing it. Very expensive, but very active. How do you know? Any others? Feel free.
What software do you use for your presentation?
Anybody else curious?
Someone knows.
I used it to score a lot of points in the university.
It's not bad, it's a little bit buggy, a little bit limited.
Does it run on Mac?
It does. There's also a web version. If you sign up for the free trial, it'll ask you to put in PayPal and all that sort of stuff, but it doesn't charge you for 30 days. So I managed to get the professional version working, which has got all the stamps and stuff, but I haven't paid anything, I won't pay anything. Glad it's not on camera. This is not commercial purposes.
What is your next project? Maybe to
At the moment, fixing it. There's a jam in the nozzle, which is and it's also quite annoying because you need to repair it at full temperature. So the nozzle has to be heated to about 250 degrees, and then I need to get in there and clear the material of that. So I'm still brainstorming the best way to do it at the moment. Acetone. I don't think it'll be enough to get through that because there's ABS. Yeah, minus also.
Acetone and lighter.
It's only around 250 degrees for the light.
How much did it cost to ship Ultimaker?
I think the shipping was about 200 Sing, maybe. The whole unit with 5 spools of plastic was 2,500 Sing. So it's probably one of the more expensive hobby level 3D printers. Yeah. So if you want cheap, there's plenty of cheaper ones too.
What kind of projects are you looking forward to creating in the 3D printer once it's finished?
Chamber is something I always wanted to try. Yeah, because you can print the links together. So typically when you make chamber, you have rods and then you bend it over and weld, and then you do the next one. You can actually print it as one slab of the chamber. It's one of the more difficult things to print.
So for something bigger than 20 by 20 centimeters, you have to print it in the car.
Yep. So there's a guy, there's one object up on Thingiverse, which is Iron Man with the hinge. Wow. And he's designed it in parts, and there's little slots that go together. No, it's still.
How long did it take to print the companion?
Yes. So the companion cube, which is about 10% liquid, so you control how much filling you want. 100% is obviously solid all the way through. You can set it to 50% or 0% if you want to completely oil. So this has 10% in fluid, was about 2 hours from memory. Pretty just on fairly high level settings. So the layer thickness for this was 0.9 millimeter. So it did many hundreds of layers. The bottle opener. This is made out of ABS. There's a coin in there to make it strong. So you can get it top. I'm showing my Australian heritage. It doesn't have to be used for beer. This was around an hour and a half.
How did you get the coin?
Printed it without the coin, and then stuck it in a wedge with it. The first version, which you don't see, I paused it halfway through and sort of the coin in. Another X2.
So this is printed 100%.
This is 80%. Yeah. Should be 100 because it's a little weaker than 90%. But it should work fine, I think.
Let's try.
Yeah, let's tonight. So if anyone wants to hands, that's an end. Any other?
Describe one of the models as Apple equivalent or something.
Sorry? Oh, yes.
Yeah, could you tell us more about that?
I think one drawback of Red City Side So it's called the Cube by Qify. They're about $1,300 US to purchase. I haven't heard a lot of reviews. They're relatively recent. They have a pretty small build volume, about 38 gig, and you need to purchase the filament from them. So that's one drawback. Yeah. So you end up with like an inkjet printer situation. And the printer is $90 and the ink is $300. But hopefully they don't go that route. This is the Qify Cube. And they've also built a community a lot like Thingiverse, where you end up with lots of models. They're doing it so you can guarantee it works with the Cube printer because they're manufacturing one. So they've kind of set everything up to be much simpler. So you end up with a lot less options, but you end up with a really straightforward product.
It's the same material that you're using.
Yes, it prints ABS. ABS only, I think. 1,300 US.
Yeah.
So pretty expensive.
It's pretty small, but
It's pretty small, yeah. But it's no fuss. Yeah. So you don't end up with issues like I've got with the Ultimaker where I have to get a little scared.
Does it have good?
Sorry.
Put that. Okay.
So this is the semi-CNC, which is pretty cool. You can swap out the briefcase with a Dremel, essentially, and then you use wood cutting and stuff, subtract it.
You just put a Dremel?
Yeah.
How much is
I don't know. It's called the CNC. I wrote it down.
You know, right?
It's terrible, man. That's what he was like executing.
The CNC from CNC. Each cartridge is
The big one? Yeah. They say the weight. Depends. So, like how much material?
So then it becomes that. Each cartridge.
Is it like a kilo? If it's a kilo, it's good for us. If it's 200 grams, it's really bad.
That's the most immediate commercial application that we can use the 3D model for within the table.
Not sure. Yeah. Good question. Hans was quite adamant to get it, and now he's decided that it's my responsibility to work out commercially.
But the most obvious one would be doing prototypes for people.
Yeah, but one of the issues is that it's become really attainable. The technology is available. If you're an engineer, you probably have a 3D printer.
Because one of your slides was the whole bunch of companies that provide you with
Ah, yes, but they do in a much wider range. So I've got an Ultimaker, but I can't do it from there. They can. So I send it on to them to
right? But technically,
oh, sure. Yeah. But it's a little like saying I do in-test parts. I'm going to make it about it's getting there.
yeah. I think food.
Food is. So this guy is really considering food. It's just syringes. Some pretty nice.
Yeah, let's get more simple.
Yeah. You can quite easily monetize to use this.
But you said the head, you only have one head.
Well, you wouldn't use the head, essentially. If you're using a syringe, you're not having to actually heat up the material. Something like icing, you can come with it.
Just squeeze it through.
Yep. So you can essentially swap this out for a syringe. You can use the Z motor to push the plug down. And you use exactly the same software.
So can you use anything other than ABS or
In this, apparently yes, but it hasn't been tested. So people have been trying things like PET, which is what those crumbly models are made out of. So it's really recyclable, which is good. You can heat it up, cool it down, heat it up, cool it down. It's like haven't tried those. Also very toxic. A lot of the other plastics.
Do you remember the emails that we sent out about printing a house?
Yes.
Do you think that's viable?
Sure. Well, commercially, maybe. I mean, the printer has to be bigger than the house. You can imagine the size of the truck that drives down the street.
Yeah. You build it with parts, right?
Yeah. But then you got to assemble this. So I think what will happen is you'll end up with smaller scale versions where you can maybe develop a delivery system which will print a layer of foundation and shift it across different lengths. So using one kind of giant apparatus to print a house, I think is a crazy idea. But you could segment the construction pieces. Anything else?
Anything else, guys?